In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use WhatsApp Web without scanning a QR code, a handy guide that will take just about 5 minutes of your time to get through. First things first, let's start at the very beginning. Navigating to WhatsApp Web usually begins with the familiar step of heading to WhatsApp's official website. So simply open your favorite web browser and type in whatsapp.com into the address bar. This will take you to the home page of WhatsApp, where you can begin the syncing process of your mobile WhatsApp with your computer. Once you're there, you might notice the home page inviting you to download the app or learn more about WhatsApp's features. But since our focus today is on accessing WhatsApp Web without the need for scanning a QR code, you'll want to look for the option that says Login. This button is your gateway to accessing your messages on a bigger screen, and it should be relatively easy to find. The designers at WhatsApp have made sure of that, aiming to provide a seamless transition from mobile to desktop. After clicking Login, the website will present you with a few options. You could log in via a QR code, as is the usual route. But since we're bypassing that, you're going to opt for the login with phone number choice. This is a crucial step because it indicates to the website that you wish to authenticate your account differently, catering to users who might be unable to use the QR code method for various reasons. Selecting login with phone number brings us to the next step in the process, where you'll be prompted to enter your phone number. It's important here to include your country code before the number itself to ensure that the system recognizes your number correctly. The interface is pretty straightforward, and entering your number should feel as simple as sending a text message. After submitting your phone number, an authentication code will be sent directly to your WhatsApp mobile app. This is a security measure ensuring that only the rightful owner of the account can gain access. Once you receive this code, enter it into the designated space on the website. This part of the process is akin to unlocking your digital door with a key that only you have. The code is usually a few digits long, and it's important that you enter it correctly to proceed. Patience is key here, as it may take a few seconds for the code to arrive on your phone. If for some reason you don't receive it, there's usually an option to resend the code after a short period. And with that, you've essentially completed the process. Following the entry of your code, the website will proceed to synchronize your WhatsApp account to the web interface, mirroring your chats, contacts, and media on your computer screen. This allows you to use WhatsApp in all its glory on a bigger screen, perfect for those longer conversations, or when you're working on your computer and want to avoid the distraction of picking up your phone. A few additional tips to ensure a smooth experience. Make sure your internet connection is stable during this process, as any interruption can hinder the synchronization of your account. Also remember that for as long as you want to use WhatsApp Web, your phone needs to remain connected to the internet. This is how the web service communicates with your mobile application in real time. There you have it, an easy and efficient way to use WhatsApp Web without needing to scan a QR code. This method not only provides an alternative for users who find scanning a QR code inconvenient, but also illustrates the versatility of WhatsApp's login options, catering to a wide array of user preferences and situations. So, the next time you're at your computer and find yourself needing to access WhatsApp, remember this simple guide and you'll be chatting away on your desktop in no time. Thanks for watching.